This week we're looking at different management administrative tasks. They have lessons on configuring printers. This is a very good experience knowing how to do a lot of this stuff. So walking through the lesson is very useful. And then our Mind Tap activity, no, there's not a grade for it, but this is the fun. In this activity, we're using the Debian package management system. Let's set somebody to watch that. Okay, so in this lab, we're using the Debian package management. They're going to give you examples and help us walk through how to write different code. So after completing this lab, we'll be able to use the management system, manage Debian binary packages, find packages containing specific files or libraries, and obtain package information. And on to page 3, and I am going to open it here. And then my split screen so I can better manipulate my computer. Oops. And I can see better on the directions. All right, so our first step, I'm going to make sure I didn't miss anything here. This says task 1, log into the Linux system. And step 1 under that is we're using PLAB Linux 02. So I'm going to go turn it on. And double click up here on the name. Scroll up just a hair and make sure that's the computer that I'm on. PLAB Linux 02. Okay, to log in as administrator, we click on admin. And the password is uppercase P password with a 0 for the O. And we're on to task 2, manage Debian binary packages. Debian packages are operating system and CPU neutral. This means they can work with any kind of Debian distribution and CPU type. The extension for the packages are .deb. We will install and remove the Apache 2 package. And step 1, we right-click and open in terminal. And then in step 2, we want to install a package, but before we can do that, they want us to do an update. So we do sudo apt apt update. And my password again is uppercase P, password with a 0 for the O. All of the current packages are going to be updated. And we're on to step 3. And they want us to clear the screen, which we'll do a lot. That's what I was just reading. They tell us that they're having us clear the screen so we can see the output of each command clearly. And now we'll install Apache 2. To install it, we type sudo. Let me try that again. My fingers aren't quite in the right place yet. apt install Apache 2. We use sudo because we're not logged in as root. apt-get command is used to install, upgrade, or remove a package. The install parameter helps you install the package. After going through the dependencies, we're prompted to continue. Yes. And we're on to step 5 as soon as it gets finished. I think it may be finished and just waiting on me, so I got to scroll down a little bit. After the packages are downloaded, they are installed. Finally, the installation is complete, and you are navigated back to the administrator command prompt. During installation, Apache 2 registers itself with the UFW. With this registration, UFW creates several profiles that can be used to enable or disable access to Apache through the firewall. To see the list of profiles, type the following: sudo, so as if I was root, UFW app list. We have Apache, Apache Full, Apache Secure, Cups, and Open SSH. And so we're going to clear the screen. You can also remove a package. So to remove Apache 2, we'll type sudo apt.get, which is used to install or remove, and in this case we're going to remove Apache 2. Okay. But I forgot to turn the recording on. When prompted for confirmation, yes. And you can see it removing the files. Okay, we're going to clear the screen. And if you want to remove dependencies of the package or folders that were used along with it, then we use the app-get auto remove. That builds the dependency tree and looks for packages related. You can see here. Even tells me how much disk space it'll free up. So I want to continue. Yes. Okay, now we're going to look at how to find packages containing specific files or libraries which may or may not be installed. In many cases, we need to install a file for which we may not know the package name. In this situation, we can find the package name from the system. Two key commands, namely the dpkg command and the app-file command, help you to find the package name. In this task, we're going to use the dpkg to find a package from the Ubuntu system listed on the lab environment. To find, okay, so we'll go on to step 1. And we're going to run sudo dpkg uppercase, well, dash uppercase S to search a specific file name, apt-get. Okay, so then you can see all the files that are listed that meet the parameters. And we may need to find details of a package that exists on the system. These details include version, content, dependencies, package integrity, and installation status of the package. These details might be required if you want to see the package dependencies for another package installation. In this task, you will view the details about the YUM package. Okay, so we want to view information about the YUM package. I'm going to clear the screen. And apt-cache show YUM. Okay, and then we can see package information about Yum. Okay, so we've looked at how to manage Debian binary packages. We can find packages containing a specific file or library. And we know how to obtain package information. That is all for lesson 1, MindTap activity.